to Kababayan LA. You know, all my Filipinos out there, man, we over here doing it. You know, it's just even all the Asians, everybody in the world, but you know, we all stereotyped, and you know, through this art, they haven't really got to see like a bunch of Filipinos and Asian people like come out like that, and now we're able to show them what we're really about, and I just think it's good and it's very positive. So shout out to all you guys. Love y'all, man.
Yes, more Jabbawockeez news for you later on in the show on the red carpet, brought to us by Pacific Rim photos and videos. But for now, winners of our $150 gift certificate giveaway sa Bello Skincare Clinic. First letter came from ACN1359@netscape.net. Did I just announce your email address? Kasi walang pangalan next time you write your name. Had I not become a devoted viewer of Kababayan LA 18, I would never have known about the Filipino Americans Got Talent show, and therefore would have missed out on 2 monologues, one about the pride of a soldier and the relationship between a lolo and his grandson that brought me to tears, as well as musical, vocal talent, and the martial arts exhibition that took my breath away. Thank you so much, and you just won $150 skincare gift certificate from Bello. And also another email is from Karen Pascual. My favorite moment on Kababayan LA is the China tour Janelle did. Actually, hindi po China, kundi Taiwan yan. Learned a lot about culture, tourist attraction sites, and my favorite shopping and food. I hope sometime I will be able to also plan a trip there to enjoy as much as Janelle did. Thank you so much, Karen. So good luck sa plano mong yan to travel to Taiwan. But for now, enjoy the $150 gift certificates of Bello Skincare. You need to email us your address so we can mail you the gift certificates. We promised 3, but we actually picked 5 winners, and we'll show you 3 more later on in the show. For now, speaking of tourist attractions, when we think of the Philippines, we always think about Cebu, Boracay, Manila. Why not Marinduque? Vice Governor of Marinduque, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Hi, Janelle. Thanks. Thanks for having here. It's a pleasure and privilege being here in your show.
The Honorable Vice Governor of Marinduque, Antonio L. Uy, is joining us today on the show para po pag-usapan ng Marinduque. Bakit pa hindi masyadong kilalang Marinduque? What can we see in Marinduque?
Well, actually, Marinduque is a very nice place. It's a heart-shaped island, and it is situated in the heart of the Philippines. So talagang ang mga tao pati doon is very hospitable. And if you like nature, you're gonna enjoy being in Marinduque.
Ano po bang mga ginagawa ng mga kababayan doon? Meron bang surfing doon or snorkeling, diving?
Yeah, we have also dive spots in Marinduque. And if you have heard of this, yung bagong resort, it's called Bella Roca in Elephant Island.
Ayan.
And also we have this Maniwaya Island where you can see a fine white sand na parang Boracay din. And it could be developed in the near future.
Ayan. Bella Roca, naririnig ko yan. Maraming nagpapakasal sa Bella Roca.
Yeah, that's true.
And ano naman po ang pakay nyo dito? Bakit kayo napunta sa LA?
Well, I was invited by the local Marinduqueños here. This is called Marinduque International Incorporated. The founding president is Dr. Hector Sulit. And 2 days ago, I was with them for this Christmas celebration ng grupo, and I was able to tell them the current situation of the province and also the other projects or programs that they could extend to our kababayans.
Ayan. Will you share to us the situation of the province right now?
The situation is okay right now, but still we have to put more emphasis on the healthcare program. Being in a medical profession, yun ang vision ko sa Marinduque, na magkaroon ng health security ang mga Marinduqueños because it is an island province. So yung mga mahihirap, if they do not have the money, they cannot go to Lucena or Manila.
Ano po bang mga karamdaman ng mga kababayan natin doon? Nagkakasakit because of?
Usually, ang mga ang common na sakit is yung mga cardiovascular, siyempre yung mga sa hypertension, high bloods. But we lack this specialty skills. Wala pa kaming mga specialists na nandun. Although I'm a general surgeon, I cannot do all the operations. Yung mga medium.
Saka mga facilities, di ba?
Yeah, the facilities.
Marami po tayong mga doktor na nanonood kayo. Nagme-medical mission din po sa Pilipinas. And hopefully we're calling on you guys to please help our kababayans in Marinduque. That's the website on the screen. And also, ang mga projects aside from healthcare, can we help, you know?
You know what? Being an island province, ang problema namin is the power, electricity. But before coming here, I was trying to work on this algae oil power plant project. And hopefully maybe next year makapag-start ito.
Alright. Marami po bang mga Marinduqueños na nakatira dito sa Amerika?
Yeah, I think so. Especially here in Southern California and Northern California.
Oo, marami.
Oo.
And in terms of products, ano naman ang mga produkto ba ng Marinduque?
Marinduque has this, yung mga cookies, oraru, arrowroot. Arrowroot in
Arrowroot.
English.
Oo.
And then sa mga cultural events, of course, we have this Moriones Festival.
Yes, everyone is that.
During Lenten season. It is an event commemorating the crucifixion of Jesus and this Longhino,
Yan.
who was beheaded after, nung pinagkalat niya na nabuhay muli si Christ.
Okay. Aba, naku, exciting yan. I've been hearing of the Moriones Festival sa Marinduque pala yan.
Yeah.
Hindi pa po ako nakakapunta. Sana po makapunta tayo pare-pareho. Bumisita po sa Pilipinas. And gaano kalayo ang Marinduque from Manila?
It is only 30 minutes by plane.
Ayan. 30 minutes by plane. Bella Roca is there. So many nice places to visit there in Marinduque. Thank you so much for joining us today on the
Thank
show.
you so
And again,
much,
that's the website
Janelle.
on the screen if you want to help them. At magbabalik pa po ang Kababayan LA. Don't go away.